Okay, here we are, people. I am currently tracking the last Caltrain diesel. Whoa! Last diesel Caltrain that's... Ooh, it's a little bit late. Yeah, that's going to be out of commission after tomorrow. So far, we are approaching Mountain View. Please excuse the outside noise because that's my family's iPad. I had great memories with this. I mean, ever since I think 1999-ish when I heard about Caltrain through someone from my mom's church. And since then, it's, well, actually piqued my interest in trains. Ooh, and we're moving really fast now. Ooh. So this one started at 7:36 in San Francisco. I'm just waiting for it to get to Lawrence. Whoa, my bad. I guess it's pulling in right now, looks like. From as far as I remember from the old F40PHs diesels, it's been around since 1987-ish, I presume. And they stuck with me for a long time. Because during the early years, Caltrain used to be run by Amtrak, and I often see these train conductors from around the, well, state of California. Some of them go as far as Stockton, Modesto, Oakland, San Francisco. I mean, that's where Amtrak's bases are. Then later on, I'll make another video about oops, that's the wrong train. Make another video about the actual experience of riding it. You will see it on Sunday. Wow, it's only 10 minutes to Lawrence Station. You know, if I actually drove there myself, it would take a lot of time waiting. I mean, weather's getting colder and it would be rather troublesome for me to actually wait on the weather for the train to come. I mean, I feel this is much more better. Let's look at Sunnyvale. sometimes the train has a tendency to be late. 3 minutes away. 8 minutes away from Lawrence. Who's here? It's the other train going the other direction. Yeah, my voice is a little bit weird, but it kind of reminds me of the old videos of retail archaeology, because the guy who makes that video tends to speak in a, I don't know, low tone voice, deep voice, give or take. Right, gonna get to part 2 later. Maybe not. Ooh, 2 minutes away from Sunnyvale. Hmm. 1 minute away. 6 minutes away from Lawrence Station. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we are, it's just pulled into the station right now. Alright, so next stop is Lawrence. 6 minutes away from Lawrence Station. Ooh, there's a train meet. It's gonna meet train number 137 going back to SF. Also, I'm an amateur content creator, but there are other train content creators out there that they make videos about like public transport, including commuter trains all over the United States. And I told some of them about this because they're like, oh wow, I want to try it too, but I don't know if we can make it. I actually told my neighbor about it this morning, and he was like, oh sure, I definitely might be there. 5 minutes away. While we're at it, I'd like to address why I'm looking forward to the train stopping at Lawrence Station, because ever since I started riding Caltrain, we always board at Lawrence Station for a brief while, and when they raised the fares, we opted for Sunnyvale instead. And parking is pretty expensive too. It's like 4 minutes away from Lawrence. Yeah, I mean, Lawrence Station has a great significance on my relationship with Caltrain, because I've ridden from there for quite a long time. Oh, and I didn't ride. Oh, look at that. They're just about to go over that crossing. Which crossing is it? Oh. North Sunnyvale Avenue Station. So I remember when I first was at Lawrence Station, I think the parking was like $2 or something. Ooh, I think we're there already. All right, so there we have it, people. We've arrived at Lawrence. All I have to say now is rest easy F40PH and all those double-decker cars. I mean, I'll definitely miss you indeed.